Welcome to our video today, where we'll be exploring a common issue that many Shopify store owners face when trying to run queries on their cart returns. Have you ever tried to retrieve information about your cart returns using the Shopify API, only to find that the hasAnyTag property always seems to return false? If so, you're not alone. This can be a frustrating problem to solve, especially if you're relying on this data for analytics or marketing purposes. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why this issue occurs and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's causing the problem and how to fix it. So let's dive right in. So why does hasAnyTag always seem to return false when querying cart returns? To understand this issue, we need to take a closer look at how Shopify handles tags on cart return. When you create a cart return in Shopify, the platform automatically assigns a set of default tags to that return. However, these tags are not immediately applied to the return object. Instead, they're stored separately in a database table specifically designed for handling tags. The hasAnyTag property is supposed to check if any tags have been assigned to the cart return. However, when you query this property using the Shopify API, it only checks the tags that are directly associated with the return object at that moment in time. Since the default tags aren't immediately applied to the return object, hasAnyTag returns false. But here's the thing, even if hasAnyTag returns false, you can still retrieve the tags assigned to the cart return using a different approach. You see, Shopify provides an endpoint for retrieving all tags associated with a specific resource, in this case, the cart return. To fix the issue, you need to query the tags endpoint and check if any of the return tags match the ones you're looking for. This requires a two-step process. First, retrieve the ID of the cart return. Then, use that ID to query the tags endpoint. Think of it like trying to find a specific book in a library. If someone tells you the book is on a certain shelf, the return object, but you can't see it there, you might assume it doesn't exist. But if you ask the librarian for help and they show you the entire catalog, you'll be able to find the book, even if it wasn't initially visible on that shelf. Just to recap, here are the essential points we've covered. hasAnyTag returns false when querying cart returns because it only checks tags directly associated with the return object. Default tags are stored separately in a database table and aren't immediately applied to the return object. To retrieve tags assigned to a cart return, you need to query the tags endpoint using the return's ID. That's all for today's video on resolving the hasAnyTag false issue when running queries on Shopify cart return. We hope this explanation has helped clarify things for you. If you have any further questions or would like some additional clarification, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. Also, if you found this content helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on Shopify development.